In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a list or project in Clickup. We'll walk through this process step by step, and it's simple enough that you'll have everything set up in just about 5 minutes. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the Clickup website. Once the page loads, you should spot the Login button nestled comfortably in the top right corner of your screen. Give that a click and you'll be prompted to sign into your account. If you've linked your Clickup account with Google, this next step is a breeze. Simply select Continue with Google and choose the Google account associated with Clickup. This will smoothly log you in without the need for extensive typing. Now, once you're inside Clickup, navigate to the left panel where you'll find your lists. Here's where the magic happens. Locate the list you wish to duplicate. Next to it, you'll notice 3 vertical dots, a neat little icon tucked away waiting for you to click on it. This opens up a menu with several options. From the menu, select the Duplicate option. This might seem straightforward, but there are a few things to keep in mind. Duplicating a list can include tasks, subtasks, and even the structure you've painstakingly crafted. It's perfect for when you're building a new project off an existing framework. Once you click Duplicate, a new prompt appears asking for the new list's name. This is your chance to get creative. Type in a name that captures the essence or purpose of this new list. Remember, a good name can be a helpful reminder of your project's objectives, so choose wisely. With the name in place, we're nearly there. You'll need to click Duplicate once more to finalize this action, and voila, your new list is ready, an exact clone of what you had before, but with a fresh name and ripe for customization. Duplicating lists is incredibly useful for maintaining continuity between projects or simply saving time. It allows you to reuse best practices and layouts that have worked well for you in the past, offering a solid starting point without building from scratch each time. There you have it. Duplicating a list in Clickup is as easy as following these straightforward steps. Keep practicing and you'll find this becomes a handy part of your productivity toolkit. Thanks for joining me today and happy planning on your Clickup journey.